Welcome to my channel, Wealth Ledger.
Investing used to feel like something only Wall Street professionals or wealthy people did. But times have changed. Today, thanks to technology, education, and financial tools, Gen Z has more opportunities than ever to grow wealth. If you were born between the late 1990s and early 2010s, you are part of Gen Z, and you have a huge advantage. You grew up in the digital age. You understand the internet, social media, trends, and new technology better than any previous generation. And if you use that knowledge wisely, you can build financial freedom much faster than those before you. This video is your ultimate guide to investing for Gen Z, broken down step by step, from the basics to advanced strategies. 1. Why Gen Z should start investing early. Time is your biggest asset. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compound interest, the process where your money earns returns, and then those returns earn even more returns. For example, if you invest $200 a month at age 20 with an average 8% annual return, by age 60 you'll have over $700,000. But if you wait until 30 to start, that number drops nearly in half. The difference is time, not the amount invested. Gen Z has time on their side, and starting early, even with small amounts, makes a massive impact. 2. Understanding the basics of investing. Before we dive into strategies, let's cover the basics. Stocks, ownership in a company. You profit when the company grows, and its stock price rises. Bonds, loans you give to governments or companies. Lower risk than stocks, but also lower returns. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, a basket of different stocks or bonds you can invest in all at once, giving instant diversification. Index funds, similar to ETFs, but they track entire markets like the S&P 500. Real estate, property investments, either directly or through REITs, real estate investment trusts. Crypto and AMP, digital assets, riskier but popular among General Z. Think Bitcoin, Ethereum, NFTs, and blockchain-based assets. Knowing these categories helps you design an investment strategy that fits your risk level and goals. 3. Setting financial goals. First, investing isn't just about making money, it's about making money with a purpose. Ask yourself, do I want to retire early? Do I want to buy a house in 10 years? Am I looking for passive income or long-term growth? Your answers will shape how you invest. For example, short-term goal, 1 to 5 years, keep money in high-yield savings or short-term bonds. Medium-term goal, 5 to 10 years, balanced mix of stocks and bonds. Long-term goal, 10 plus years, mostly stocks, index funds, or real estate. 4. How to start investing as Gen Z. Here are the easiest steps to start investing today. Open a brokerage account. Platforms like Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, Vanguard, or international apps in your country make this simple. Start small, even $50 to $100 a month is enough to begin. Don't wait to save thousands. Automate it. Set up automatic transfers into your investments. Treat investing like paying a bill, you won't miss the money. Learn as you go, read, watch videos, and follow credible financial educators. The more you learn, the more confident you become. 5. Best investment strategies for Gen Z. Now let's break down some smart strategies. Index fund investing, the easiest and most proven way to build wealth. By investing in the S&P 500 or total market funds, you are essentially betting on the growth of the entire economy. Historically, these funds return about 7 to 10% per year. Dollar cost averaging, instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount regularly. For example, $200 every month. This smooths out the ups and downs of the market. Dividend investing, buy stocks or ETFs that pay dividends, cash paid out just for holding the shares. Reinvest those dividends, and your wealth compounds even faster. Side hustle plus investing. Gen Z is known for side hustles. Instead of spending all that extra money, invest it. A few $100s a month from a side gig can turn into hundreds of thousands over time. 6. Common mistakes Gen Z should avoid. Many beginners lose money because they make these mistakes. Chasing hype. Just because a stock or crypto is trending on TikTok doesn't mean it's a smart investment. Not diversifying. Putting all your money into one stock or asset is risky. Spread it out. Timing the market. No one can consistently predict short-term market moves. Focus on long-term investing. Panic selling. Markets go up and down. Selling during dips locks in your losses. Stay calm and think long-term. 7. Using technology to your advantage. One of the biggest advantages Gen Z has is technology. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront can automatically invest your money based on your goals. Finance apps like Acorns round up your purchases and invest the spare change. Educational platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and TikTok, if you follow credible creators, make financial education free. The tools are in your hands, it's just about using them wisely. 8. Building wealth beyond just investing. Remember, investing is only one part of wealth building. Combine it with budgeting, control your spending. Live below your means. Emergency fund. Always have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved before taking major risks. Multiple income streams. Don't just rely on one job. Use side hustles, freelancing, or online businesses to boost income. The more you earn and save, the more you can invest. 9. The future of investing for Gen Z. The world of investing is changing fast. Here are some trends that will shape your generation's wealth. Sustainable investing, ESG, companies that focus on climate, social good, and sustainability are attracting younger investors. Fractional shares, you no longer need thousands of dollars to buy a stock like Amazon, you can buy a fraction for as little as $5. Crypto and AMP, Web3. While risky, blockchain technology may transform the financial system. Gen Z is at the front line of this innovation. Global access, with apps and online platforms, you can invest in international markets instantly.
Thanks for watching video. Please share with friends. Subscribe, bell icon, and share.